A very good morning, kids. Welcome back to our EVS class. I hope that you all are well. You are studying regularly. You are doing your study. You are obeying what your parents they are saying to you. Now, in today's class, let us begin with our new chapter. That is chapter number 13, Seasons. So, first of all, what are seasons? Let us study this. Some days are hot. Some days are cold. Some days are rainy. Some days are cloudy. This is called weather. What is weather? Some days are cold, some are hot, some are rainy. So this is the weather condition. When weather remains the same for a few months, it is called a season. There are three main seasons in our country: summer, winter and monsoon. Some places have two more seasons called spring and autumn. So when weather it remains for a longer period of time, it is called as the season. Now we'll be studying one by one the various seasons. The first one, it is winters. Now you all know winter is about to come. In winter, it comes in which month? December and January. These are the coldest months, and in winters we used to drink coffee, hot soup, and we used to wear woolen clothes because woolen clothes it protects us from the cold. So students, you can take out page number 67 of your book. Let us read winter. It is very cold during winter. Why it is cold? Because cold wind blow. It snows in some places. Some of the places it snows. There is snowfall in some of the places, like in Shimla. The snowfall is there in winter. We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from the cold. In cold, we used to wear woolen clothes. We used to wear when we come to the school. We have a separate winter uniform. We used to wear blazer. We used to wear woolen caps. We have hot drinks such as tea, coffee and soups. Some people light fires or use heaters to keep warm. December and January, they are the coldest month. Now you can turn the page, everyone, and come to the page number 68 of your book. The next season that we'll be studying, it is the spring season. In spring season, flowers blooms. The spring season in India, it comes in February and March. In February and March, you can see the plants, the flower they bloom, and the new leaves it comes in plant. So it is spring in India during the month of February and March. It is not too hot or too cold. It is very pleasant. Flowers they bloom in spring. Next is summer. In summers, it is very hot. The summer it starts in April, May and June. So you are having the summer vacation in summer. Why? Because it is too hot in summers. In summer we used to drink cold drinks, juice. In summers we are having the mangoes. So we used to have mango shake. We used to have ice cream. We used to have lassi, that is buttermilk. So let us read on page number 68, summer. It is very hot during summer. Hot wind blow during the day. We do not like to go out in the hot sun. We wear cotton cloth. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. We have cool drinks such as lassi, juices. We also like to have ice creams. We use fan, cooler and air conditioners to keep ourselves cool. April, May and June, they are very hot months. Now the two more seasons we'll be studying now. Monsoon. Monsoon, you all know monsoon, when your school reopens after the summer vacation, that is the rainy season. That rainy season, it is called as the monsoon. Monsoon. In India, some of the places they receive very high rainfall, while in some very little rainfall is there. Like in Rajasthan, we are not having as much rainfall. So in monsoon, you can see the clouds, rain is there. After the raining, in some places, you can also see the rainbow which comes out. So in the month, the monsoon, it is there in July, August and September. Many places in India get rainfall. There are dark clouds in the sky. Sometimes there are strong winds and storm. We used to wear raincoat and carry umbrella when we go out in the rain. It is fun to float paper boats in puddles. What are puddles? Flowing water. Sometimes we see a rainbow after it has rained. Now let us study about autumn. Autumn. Autumn comes after monsoon and before winter. Now which season is there? Autumn. Because it comes before winter and after rainy season. That is in the October and November are the autumn months in India. Most trees shed their leaves in autumn. Many people, many animals, they begin to prepare for winter by storing food. So autumn, it comes in the month of the October and November. So now which season is there? Autumn season. So let us revise the various seasons that we have studied in today's class. So first of all, we have studied about the winter. In winter it is very cold. In December, January, these are the coldest month. We used to wear woolen clothes in winter. Then we have studied after winter, which season it comes. After the winter, we have studied about the spring. The spring, it comes in which month? It comes in the February and March. In spring, the flowers, they bloom. New leaves, it comes in February and March month. And the weather, it is very pleasant. It is neither too hot or not too warm. Then after the spring comes the summer. The summer, it is very hot. In summer, we used to have fan, air conditioner, coolers. We used to drink cold drinks, juice, lassi, ice cream. April, May and June. These three, they are the hottest month. After the summer, we have studied about monsoon. When your school reopens after the summer vacation, that is the monsoon season. It is July, August and September. In that, you can see the clouds, you can see raining. After the raining, in some places rainbow. It also come out in monsoon. When we go out, we used to have raincoat, umbrella. Then last is the autumn. The autumn just after the monsoon and before winter season, that is in the month of October, November. Now it is autumn. In autumn, the leaf shed of the plant. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. God bless you all.